Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice, and today I'm basically crystal clear about my agenda on today's video because past couple of days I just basically didn't focus too much on uploading videos, but today I'm confident that I'm going to upload this video. And the topic which I've chosen for speaking in this video is describe a movie that made you laugh. So this is kind of the topic which I've chosen for speaking in this video. I hope you do also have one movie which you remember till the end of the life. So that is how we basically understand things in a manner where there is lots of laugh, so we remember the things. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So in my life, basically, I've watched multiple movies, and there is one movie which I want to talk in this particular cue card is about Three Idiots, which is my favorite one because there is most of the things which is relatable to my life, and there's a lot of people who are basically youngster. They also do like. So I got suggestion from the YouTube basically past couple of years back. There's if you can say like 10 years back, there is nobody know like what the film story look like. But in now today's world, there is very easy. If there is something good, you will always see in front of your cell phone. So I just watch this video, and there is the favorite part of the video, basically movie, that is like changing the script of the person who don't know Hindi basically. That is the very shocking thing for him, because after changing one word basically, he just totally changed the meaning of whole script. This is insane, right? So because of the script, basically there are some changes that is very bad for his personality, and because of that there is a lot of audience basically is giving a speech in Hindi, but he is from like south part of India. So yeah, this is very laughing scene of the movie, and because of that I remember. And if you don't know, you can also watch it in the YouTube as well. And along with that, there is a lot of reasonable thing and relatable things, such as there is lot of students at that point in that particular year. Before that year, basically that movie also spread awareness regarding there is nothing pressure. You don't need to like take pressure of studies, because that if you fail in in your grades, that doesn't matter a lot, because there is apart from studying in the schooling, there's a lot of time you have to build a career, and you do have a multiple fields where you can perform. If you don't know, like if you're looking for focusing on like a rat race, you will never going to achieve some sort of things which you want. But if you follow your passion basically, so you can definitely get whatever you want. So that is how basically this movie inspires a lot of youngsters and a lot of persons. So basically I also inspire. So yeah, this is the highly rated movie which I basically watched, and I'm also suggesting people to basically watch this movie, because we learn a lot of things, in terms of in terms of student life, or you can say professional life or business life. These all the things are mixed, so you can watch it. So on this video, that is it. I hope I'm able to express it fully on the for the cue card. And bye bye, have a good day.